Developers today are under a lot of pressure to deliver fast. They're developing software quickly, and security teams and compliance teams are under a lot of pressure to make sure that they're keeping up with all of those changes that are happening in their systems. And what that means in practice is when they plug in the Veracode platform, we are helping them organize, discover, and find all of the assets that they have, all of the ingredients that make up those technology practices and what's actually getting shipped. And once we've done that, we help them understand what the risk is associated with each one of those assets. And the value of the Veracode platform that is different than some other platforms or tools that you might see out there is the amount of context and built-in governance that comes with that. We apply unified policy, which is configurable to customers' security postures and how they actually operate every day based on their regulatory standards or other things that are going on in the world. We help them produce SBOMs and manage those every day as we're observing, adapting, and seeing what's happening in the system. Whether they're using AI agents, or they're using LLMs, or they're using third-party open source at an accelerated rate, or if it's actually just the code or the infrastructure that they themselves manage. And for every customer, that is different. It's highly personalized. It needs to be highly scalable. And the way that Veracode adds value and efficiency to these flows is we build all of that in where the work is happening. So you have that in the IDE, where the developers are developing their own code. You have that at the point in time where they're checking in that code, in the repos. And they're doing that at scale with automated technologies that not only are identifying what is going on, but also what you can do to fix it. And that automation and scalability gives the developers very early on in their cycle the ability to modify, and at every step of the journey, in sometimes automated ways and sometimes in unautomated ways, how they can secure that software and keep up with all of the different things that are changing under the covers, which may be otherwise invisible to them. And that means that we are reducing rework. We're increasing efficiency. We're building governance in at the point where it matters and you can see it in real time. And when you do that, you are making sure that everyone is able to innovate fast. They're up to date with everything that's going on in the system, not just what they're working on. They can, in a provable manner, show what is happening, how they're improving their security posture, or even just how they're living into the security posture that their business needs to operate.